What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be creating a magic, what's called the Magic A Ball, the one that you ask questions, right? We're going to pursue Magic A Ball asking questions. Is that what it is? Questions. Okay, so that's the one that we're going to be doing. Okay. So, all right, let's start. Just a simple project, simple application right here. So let's create another class. Okay, let's go right here. Let's create, and we're going to call it Magic Ball class. Magic Ball. Okay. So right here, let's make this class public so we can use it somewhere else. Now let's create access modifier right here. A static access modifier is going to be private. I mean, creating a variable. It's going to be an array, and we're going to call this. The type is going to be a string, and we're going to call it list answers. Okay, I already have a all the all the strings for that. And let me just copy so we can save some time, because this is going to be just so pretty fast, like right here. So that's what I have. So this is going to be a random, so we gotta use a random class for this one, right? So we get it is certain, all of this is going to be random, is going to be generated when we ask the question, and the semicolon. And now in here we are going to create a a method. It's going to be also a static method. Yeah, we're going to create a static method. It's going to be a string, but no this, and this is going to be called generate list. It's going to be the name of the method. Now this method is going to have a return, so let's create a bar, just a variable, and let's put ran equals to new random. Okay, new random. Okay, now right here we're going to do a string. We're going to call run list equals to list answers. Okay, we got what we need. Yeah, we got open bracket, and then inside the bracket we're going to have rand right here. That next, to generate our random, it's going to go through our list, which is this. All right. Okay, now it's going to return rand list. Okay, yeah, but in here we're going to do the following. So let's use a string interpolation. Open curly bracket, copy this run list. Oh, come on, dude. I know it's not, it's wrong. I know that. I know. Just give me a second, please. Okay, get out of here. Go to the run list right there. Okay, okay, that's looking good. So we have our public static method. So now let's go to our main program. So right here we are going to say console. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Something's going on with my computer. So let's get rid of that. console the right, no right lane line, and right here we're going to ask the user, please enter your question for the cube, for the magic ball. Okay, now here we're going to say console that read line, semicolon, yeah, only one L. So right here we're going to do a variable name, create a variable where we're going to be defining our class. Okay, we're going to say random list equals, so we're going to be using cube, no, what is the name of the what do we call it, magic ball. So we're going to use the name of our class because we cannot create an object because we're using a static methods. Okay, so we're going to do magic, do we have it right here, magic, or did I just misspell magic? I did misspell magic, what the heck, man. That, and then what is the method we're going to be using? Generate list semicolon, and then console right lane, and then we're going to pass the random list right here, random list. Okay, so now let's run the program and see what we got. All right, so it says please enter your question for the magic ball. Okay, what is the question? Let's see, will it rain tomorrow? Enter. Don't count on it. I like that. So let's run it again. Will I be a millionaire one day? Reply hazy. Try again. Oh, okay. Let's try it again. Will I be a millionaire again? Let's do that. Will I be a millionaire one day? Outlook not so good. Oh man, I'm not going to become a millionaire. So let's do one more. So let's ask, will I make $300,000 a year one day? Let's see. I wanna know these answers. Oh, that's good money right there. It's a good salary. $300,000 a year. Let's see. Let's push enter. Boom. As I see it, yes. Oh yeah, man. So that means I will do it one day. Yeah, I'm excited for that. Let's keep programming, man. But anyway, so that's the program. That's what, it's just a simple application. Magic ball using a static variables and also a method. Yeah, cool. Alright guys, thank you for checking the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady, and hopefully this program can help you out in your journey. Alright, and have a good night. See you in the next video. Bye.